Good day, viewers, and happy new month to you all. Once more, welcome to my channel. My name is Peter Winganani, your host today, and in this video today, I'm going to teach you some of the YouTube laws of monetization. If this is our first time of hearing this, I hope this is going to be of help to you. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the 4 most powerful YouTube law no one has told you before. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 4 most powerful YouTube laws of monetization. If you are a new channel, you need to listen to this. You need to watch this video to the end, because in this video, I'm going to share some sensitive information that will help you grow your channel from 0 subscriber to a 1,000 subscriber, from 0 watch hour to a 4,000 watch hour in few days. These laws will help you. This law will guide you from the beginning till you get to the monetization stage. So if you are new, please watch this video to the end. If you are a brand new channel, an upcoming channel, a small channel, I will also like you to watch this video from the beginning to the end. Thank you so much. Let's go to the main business of the day. YouTube first law of monetization state that thou shalt not compile short video from other social media's handle or website. What this means is this: you should not copy Facebook Reel, TikTok, Instagram videos, and Telegram videos. If you copy and combine them together to form a long form video on YouTube, it is against the laws of YouTube. It is against the first law of YouTube. That kind of video cannot be monetized on YouTube. So if you are a upcoming channel, a small channel that is less than 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, you need to avoid this. Even the channel that is up to 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers, you also need to avoid this, because if YouTube detect this on your channel, you will be automatically demonetized. So to avoid demonetization, I will like you to do exactly what I'm saying. Do not copy short form videos from other social media handles or websites and compare them as a long form video and post on YouTube. If you do that, your video will not be able to be monetized. Also, the law number 2 states that thou shalt not promote other people's content even if you have their permission. What does this mean? It means that content that is not originally your own, you are not allowed to promote it on YouTube. It means that you are not allowed to promote brands that are not your own. You are not allowed to promote content, people's content, even if you have their permission to do so. If you do this, it is against the YouTube monetization policy, which is the law. So as a brand new channel coming up, I would like you to avoid this. As a channel less than 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, I will also like you to avoid doing this, because if you do this, your videos, your channel cannot be monetized. And if you are getting up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour on YouTube and your channel is monetized, if you have been doing this, please, I would like you to delete those videos immediately, because if YouTube should detect this on your channel, automatically your channel will be demonetized. So if you are doing this, please delete those videos and don't do it again. Thank you so much. So let's go to the number 3 of the YouTube law, the YouTube third law of monetization. It states that thou shalt not upload content that has been uploaded many times by other creators. You may not understand this. Let me explain. Thou shalt not upload content that has been already uploaded many times by other creators. What this is talking about is this: you should not upload content, like for instance content that other creators have uploaded many times. You go in there to copy the video or to copy the content and re-upload it without editing or with little editing or narrative. This is against the YouTube monetization policy. It's against the law. If you do this, that video cannot be monetized. If you do this, your channel will not be monetized. And if by peradventure you have been monetized, your channel will be demonetized and you will start from the beginning. You start from scratch again. So my best advice for you is this: avoid doing these things I'm mentioning to you. I'm mentioning it to you. Avoid doing all this to be on the safer side, to be on the safe side. So let's take the law number 4, which is the last one on today's video. This states that clips from other clips from your favorite show, like for instance those of you that watch TV shows and other channels shows, your favorite moment on those shows, you are not allowed to cut it, to cut, copy, then you clips them together as a long form video, then you post it on YouTube. It is against the law. Those kind of video cannot be monetized. This kind of content is not allowed to be monetized on YouTube. This kinds of video is against the YouTube monetization policy. If you just want to upload for uploading sake without being monetized, well, it's left for you. Either you go ahead with those kind of video, but if you really want to get monetized on YouTube as a YouTube partner YPP program, this form of video are not allowed. If you copy videos from short video from Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Telegram, short videos of those form and compile them together to form a long form video, either you analyze it or you do not analyze it, either you narrate the content of the video or you do not, it is 100% against YouTube monetization policy. You cannot monetize these videos. Right, so thank you very much for your time. I do appreciate. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, and stay tuned for the next episode of this video. Once more, my name is Peter Winganane, your host today. Thanks you so much.